As demand for technicians continues to soar, now more than ever it has become critical to support and recognize successful students who exemplify a strong passion for the automotive industry. Many people think that attending a trade school won't lead to a successful career. The reality is, trade schools are a practical, affordable, and career-focused option for many students that leads to a very satisfying and lucrative profession. Many of the jobs in the automotive industry are attainable through apprenticeships, on-the-job training, and vocational programs offered at local schools. As an industry, it's our job to build student excitement at the beginning of each school year about the workforce and how certifications can help students with future job prospects. Student support starts in the classroom and as early as the junior high experience. Shop owners, consider offering local instructors a chance to have your management team come in and talk about how your business recruits candidates, reviews resumes, and conducts their interviews. Instructors, recognize your students' accomplishments when they prove to be committed to learning at the highest levels. Let your students know how much you value them and their accomplishments. Continental Belts & Hose Student of the Month program spotlights the best-in-class automotive students the country has to offer each school year. By doing these things, you help build a sense of security in a student's value to the automotive industry. Creating a culture of recognition and support early helps future technicians see their potential for the future and drives candidate attraction for future employers. I'm Nadine Batat. Thanks for watching.